Hello, error. This is prank number 3. This does not look like anything at all, but it's actually a bomber plane. Obviously, it doesn't look like one, but it's gonna work. It will work. So basically, I can fly up. Pretty sure this drops it. I don't know. And then this is the kaboom button. Eh, what is that? Is that Zhenya? Probably is Zhenya. Whatever. Yeah, it is Zhenya. Trying his best to take revenge. Whatever. Let's go. How do I activate F? In action. This is so cool. I can't believe I made this. Alright, so Zhenya is on blue team. Is he there? He's trying to get revenge by shooting the trees. But I will be here doing some early measures. Check this out. The bomb's there. Right here. Let me just stay here. Drop it. Bomb is inactivate. Is activate. Come on. Okay. Aye. Good. And now we'll watch from here. When he comes back, you'll know. You'll know why to not mess with me. See that? Dash the bomb. I don't think it's filled with that much things, honestly, because for obvious reasons, I can't lift that big of a thing. But yeah, I only have like 45 balloons. Sad. From 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I'll just wait for him to come down. Look at what he's doing there. Pathetic. This little flying machine. He's trying to that he's crashing into. Look at him. Look at him go. I forgot which button is the exploder. Oh, whatever. I'll be this one. Where'd he go? Is he right there? On the clock stage, on the gear stage. It's cool? No? Actually, I think I'm gonna follow. Nah. This time I wanna catch the beautiful view of him exploding and lagging possibly. He won't even know. I'll retreat in my stupid looking bomber plane, quote unquote bomber plane. I don't think it's enough to qualify for an actual plane though. It's more of a it's more of an air balloon. Pretty sure those bomber air balloons exist. I've seen one. I've seen one in the games. It's cool. Test drive. Test drive. Balloon activate. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. What? Forward a bit. Okay. Then boom. Boom. Alright, my bad. Ah, an even better view. Where is Zhenya? He's stuck on the sheriff stage. Huh? Boop, boop, boop. There he is, my little sunshine. We'll activate the engines and get away. Ow. Ow. What is this activated? Gonna cause a major imbalance. Here? I, maybe I can like slowly push it. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's probably doing nothing, so he's a stupid idiot. Ah! Oh! Fall back! Fall back! Follow this path. Indignously. I don't even know what that word means. Whatever. Uh-oh. He can't see me. Yep, not in this, he can't. Because I'm secretly camouflaged. Did he not see the bomb? Eh, whatever, setting off. This was a boring video because he didn't get to see the bomb. He leave? He left. Wait, right here. Where'd he go? We're gonna be flanking this innocent noob. Come on, walk, walk. Unless you do, Yep, there everything goes. Wait, what? Wrong button, right there. Is it exploding? Oh, it deleted its evidence. Sucks. Maybe next time then.